My name is Oshun Fernandez West, but everyone calls me Boomy. I'm the CEO of ODUNDE. My mother created ODUNDE 44 years ago. I was strapped to her back.
I think that the people in this room, regardless of your nationality, where you come from, your upbringing, we all got the same opportunity. Everybody got the same opportunity. We live in America. The land of opportunity. This is the only place in the world where you can turn everything around like this.
I'm talking about, anybody you can think about, I've spent intimate time with them. Not just at a distance. I'm talking about like we sitting down talking right now. I've had that type of dialogue with anybody anybody that matters in the world today. I've had direct contact with them. And how I came to be in that was, again, like she's saying, through Will Smith and Jazzy Jeff. I was doing security for them initially. I don't know if y'all watched The Fresh Prince of Bel-Air. Okay, so I'm the bully that ran Will out of Philly. That's me in the beginning. You know what I mean? And I don't know if you ever seen it.
But I was lucky enough by the age of 12 to meet a mentor who was a cop, a black guy who had gone to college for track, and he told me, he said, Marcus, he said, I want you to understand something, and I want to share this message with all of you. He said, you may not be the fastest, you may not be the most athletic. I was playing football at the time with a name like Marcus Allen. I thought I was supposed to be the next Marcus Allen. Yeah, and so, and he said, you may not be the most talented. He said, but no matter what, never ever let someone outwork you. He said, get addicted to working hard, because once you do that, the result doesn't matter. It's all about you bringing 100% of yourself.
You know, I'm sitting around all these guys that's acting like they tough and acting like, you know, they run things. And like, they don't want to go home. I want to go home. I'm cool. I don't want to be that type of guy. Like, I don't want to be the tough Tony. I don't want to be known and have a name and all that. I just want to go home right now. And I wasn't able to do that. And I made a promise to myself, if I ever come home, I never put myself back in the same situation to endure this type of pain that I experienced. And sure enough, I did it. So I'm currently still on parole. I've been home for 6 years. I get off parole in September. I never been back. I never been back.
Hey, remember that doctor who told me I would never play sports? I ended up getting a full scholarship to college, got an academic scholarship, computer science, pre-engineering, played basketball, became Division II Player of the Year, and then got an opportunity to go play for the Denver Nuggets. I was there for less than a year, got injured, ended up, like Charlie, traveling the world. I started playing pro basketball overseas for 7 years, played in Sweden, Finland, Argentina, Czechoslovakia, Russia, and Israel. And then I came here to Philadelphia after my pro career and saw a lot of challenges that our community was having, and decided to not go into this career of, because initially when I was in school, I thought I wanted to go make a lot of money and lift my family out of poverty. Today, my family, I'm the only person in my immediate family that's not in poverty.
So Mr. Charlie Mack, I sing, I'm an R&B singer, I do shows and all that.
Let me hear something. Stop. Let me hear something.
Hear something?
Go ahead, bro.
Stay up there and face down.
I got you. I'm gonna sing something that roof for you.
Don't make no excuses. Let's go. Do it.
Baby, tell me where it's going on. You up and left me with nothing to do with me, but you were still the one I want. Can't get away, you on my mind every day. Can you tell me where we went wrong?
So again, I'm saying, go ahead and do it, right? Go ahead and do it. I'm saying, and guess what? And anybody need to get to you, need to find you, they'll find you. I promise you that. But again, give him a hand.
Yo.
Can I stop for 1 second? Yeah. So listen, I need y'all to do me a favor. So Tyrese came on my live. I need you to say hello to him.
Odunde 365 My Story. Philadelphia.org. Odunde!